Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide Messenger notifications on screen. So first of all, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Follow along the steps. I'm gonna go ahead to my settings. I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, until you find your own, Messenger. Make sure that your notifications is toggled on. Okay. In the notification section, you're gonna see right here banner style, temporary, lock screen, notification center, and banners, right? And here it says lock screen appearance, show previews when unlocked, which means that you will see the message or the purpose of the message after you unlock your screen, or you could just click never, right? So whenever you receive a message, you will see the logo of the messenger and you're gonna see new message incoming, right? And the only way to actually get or see or have access to see that photo, you need to unlock, and then you need to see that message in order to see what's inside, right? Or you could just leave it like in my case when unlocked, so I can see the whole message when when I do my facial recognition or add my passcode. From there I'm gonna be able to see it. All right, but it depends. But if you don't want to, and if you want to hide the messages, and a lot of people are using your phone, just go ahead and hit never, right? And then just you will only see the message contains, or you're gonna see the containers, or sorry, you're gonna see the purpose, or you're gonna see the content within the message after you actually unlock or after you enter that chat on Messenger. Let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.